Hi everyone, I want to show you how simple it is to make 2 sliding knots. Now I've just got a rose quartz pendant here, but I've also got an amethyst pendant, and you'll see why in a mo. Now ideally you would need 2mm of wax cord, which helps everything slide. Now I've just got some 1mm, and although it's more satin than wax, but the reason I've got this is you will probably have something lying around like this at home to practice on. Now I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, and all the supplies that you'll see in this video is available on my website. So what I've done, I've gone ahead and I've cut a piece that's 50 inches in length. Now what I want you to do is to take the 2 lengths, put them together, okay, now I'm just going to thread this through my pendant so it just slides, and then I just take the pendant and I pull that through, and that will attach it onto here. So what we do, we take both ends. Now the left hand side we're going to put at the top. You'll hear, I can hear the seagulls, so you probably will as well. It's like the fishing boats due in. And then we have, so I'm going to make, I'm just going to put it like this. We've got the left hand side at the top, and obviously the right hand side is underneath. So we grab these two, we take the top piece, and we're going to go around to create a first loop. Then we're going to go around again. You can see we've created 2 loops. Just making sure you can see. Then we go around a 3rd time, and there we have 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Then what I'm going to do, this is the center of our 3 loops. We take this end and we're going to thread it. We're going to take this and then we're going to thread in through and pull out the bottom. And then pull together. There we go. And that will be our first sliding knot. Here we've got our pendant, and we've got our 1 sliding knot. So then I want you to take this and just flip it over. So it now looks like this. So again, there's the knot we've just done. So exactly the same, we grab 2 pieces, we take the top and we thread it over, creating 1 loop. Then we go again, creating 2 loops, and then we go again, creating 3 loops. There we've got our 3 loops. just hope you can see everything. There's the tail piece. So we are going to take the top tail piece and we're going to thread it through the top and pull it through the bottom. And then just pull it. Just bring everything, the knots together. And there we have another sliding knot. So if we look at this at the top, all you've got to do is just adjust it so you don't want those gaps at the top. So that's our sliding knot. What I would then do is measure about 1 inch. Same again with this side, 1 inch. And then snip. Then what I would do is just take a lighter just to stop the ends from fraying. Now obviously you remember you want to line up these two sides have to be lined up. But it's very easy just to adjust the pendant if it's not straight. But let's just say you don't want to wear the rose quartz pendant anymore. We want to wear the amethyst. Because of the way that I did the knot, it easily comes off. And I just thread the 2 ends through. It just slides, and I just take the point and pull it through. Just adjust it, and there we've got, there's our amethyst pendant. See how simple that is to do. So I hope you find that useful. There we go. So I do hope you find that useful. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you could leave a comment or share with someone who likes to make jewellery, I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.